Hello, and welcome to another video. Today we're working on this BMW. Model year 2017, diesel. I believe it's the F33, F32, and F36. We're replacing the air vents because they broke and no longer work properly. The fittings are worn and the mechanism doesn't operate smoothly. I think used OEM parts are preferable to aftermarket, and they're relatively easy to replace, and overall, the swap can be done without much hassle, remaining a fairly straightforward task that most people find manageable. I recommend using trim wedges. Buy link is down in the video description. And as you can see, this comes from the center console, and I'd really like to show you precisely why we're swapping the whole thing out here. Buy links are down in the video description. You can grab it from XXL or from Amazon. At XXL, you can get an extra discount if you use the code VIDIEVOLVE. Everything's all in the video description down below, and I'd say let's get started to properly build out this whole story first. You can actually do that without it. So, disconnect all the plugs, and we'll do the rest over at the workbench in a bit. So we can swap the rest out on the workbench now. Now let's carry on here. Oh, right, why we're replacing it. Everything here is completely broken. That's the whole story. You just replace it completely. There are a few little tabs here we need to take off. Very carefully. That's it. We still need to modify the amber turn signal. Press up here once and then you can push it forward slightly. That's all we need from here. Now we'll take the new unit. First, check that the little tabs here are intact. With used stuff, that's a tricky one. Then this whole thing can go back in. All right, the hazard lights are in. Now we can put this whole thing down in here. And then everything's back in. Great. We can put the whole thing back in now. It comes off really, really easily and goes back on very well. You'll see in a moment, and now we can just put it back together in reverse. Okay, the warm blinker's in. Just like new. Yeah, folks, that's how quick and easy you can pull the whole thing out and redo it. Yeah, for example, it worked even without the counting strip wedges. But I can imagine that as the car gets older and older, it'll get a little bit more difficult to get the whole thing out of there. Try not to use screwdrivers, they'll leave scratches. So I'd recommend getting the counting strip wedges. That should do it. Yeah, that ought to work. Please put everything about this topic in the comments below, why you might check it out or replace it. And I'd say, see you next time. Bye.